today's video, as you saw by the title of the video, you guys said that you love when I do Boxycharm PR versus paid, and that's what we're talking about today. I am filming tons of videos, so you're going to see this top once again in many videos. It is from Tarte. Before we get into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, play makeup, talk about makeup, unbox makeup, review makeup, and all things beauty. And remember, it's just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. We keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. I'm in a very dancey kind of mood. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the PR box. Now, both boxes are always themed. Every single month there is a new theme to Boxycharm's boxes. Now, what we are going to be unboxing today is the base boxes. They are $25 a month plus tax with free shipping, and you do get to customize one item in the box. Typically, the boxes come to a retail value of about $125, and because it was sent to me in PR, I do not get to customize the box at all, but that's okay. No big deal to me. So let's go ahead and start off. Somehow I lost the flippin' card to the PR box. I don't know what I did. I've been trying to be really good about putting things away, and I put it away and I was like, girl, you forgot to film this video. So I lost my card, so there we go. So the first item in the box, this was actually a choice item because you do get to customize that one item. This is the Earth Harbor Aurora. This is a superfood pulley, and I know I drive you guys crazy every time I say this, but this is really good. I personally use this if I have like frustrated skin, or I've kind of overdone it on the exfoliation or what have you. It's just really good to soothe and calm the skin. This is actually the second bottle that I have received from Earth Harbor, and they have really great serums. So I feel like if you did choose this item and you've been testing it out, I think you're really going to enjoy it. I want to say it had a retail value around like $30-some. Can't remember. I can't believe I lost my card. Typically I have it together, y'all. Not really. I'm fibbing. Anywho, the next item is by Tarte Mars. Again, pronunciation, whatever you want to call it, not my forte. Anywho, this is the 008 body cleanser. Now, I've had this in my shower. I have been using it and I absolutely love it. I feel like it's not over drying on my skin, which I do have thyroid issues, so dry skin seems to be my thing, and this is very comfortable on my skin. I feel like, again, if you receive this in your box, you're really going to enjoy it. It lathers up very nicely. It's not overpowering as far as the scent goes. If memory serves me correctly, there was like rosemary or coffee or something in here, and it doesn't have that kind of scent. It's more of a citrus type of scent. Very nice, and I feel like it definitely works really well. The next item in the PR box is the Dragon Beauty Color Corrector. Now, this is in the lavender shade. Now, I personally have not tried this out. I don't really use any type of color correcting other than here recently, which I forgot to use today. I've been using the Jecca Black, which is more of like an orangey peach color underneath my eyes. I got amazing sleep last night, so I guess I felt like I didn't really need that. But I don't know. Let me know you guys' thoughts if you guys have received this. I personally wish, the more I thought about it, I kind of wish color correctors, I feel like, are something where we need to kind of pick if we want that. You know, I'd rather see it more or less in like an add-ons, not even necessarily maybe a choice for base. I don't really know. What are y'all's thoughts on this? I just feel like it's something that's more geared towards specific, but I don't know. The next item in here was the Laura Geller Iconic Bake Sculpting Lipstick. It is a metallic and it's in Battery Park Bronze. It is a very pretty shade. Definitely not a shade that I'm comfortable with wearing, but it's really pretty though. You guys see that? It's a nice definite bronze. I love how it's kind of like stamped in there, but yeah. not really my shade, but the component's really nice. And the last item in the PR box was the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette, which I did create a look. There is a look over on Instagram as well, so just give me a follow over on Instagram and you can check it out. It's just at Hotmess Mama of 4. This palette is absolutely beautiful. I've seen a lot of people say the color, like, what is this? I don't know, like personally for me, I just thought it was a gorgeous palette. I love the colors. They were taken from other existing palettes such as like the Tropic, the Metropolis, I forgot what other palettes I showed you guys because I have all of the palettes that she pulled them from. But that's what she's done, is she customized this 5-pan palette specifically for Boxycharm. So it's an exclusive, but they are already shades that exist in other palettes. It does have a retail value of $48, and it is the classic Natasha Denona formula. Beautiful, easy to work with, makes you feel bougie. We gotta love it for $25. All of this for $25. Okay, I'm gonna change my battery real quick, and then we're gonna jump into my paid for box. Sorry if the frame is a little off. Okay, so jumping into my paid for box. So I did get to customize one of the items, and the item that I did customize was the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid, and in my dedicated unboxing, I did tell you guys I accidentally picked the wrong shade. I ended up choosing the shade Honey, which is uber too dark for me. So what I went ahead and did is I used this as like a bronzer cream contour, and it is beautiful. It is absolutely wonderful. I told you guys I felt like it was a cross between Tower 28's Bronzinos and the Fenty Beauty cream bronzers. It was just beautiful. It's a light to medium type of formula, and I mean, I thought it worked well. It's not like oxidized or anything, and I want to jump back on over to add-ons if it's still available and pick out my perfect shade, because I think it's going to be amazing in the summertime. Now, I did keep the card in here because I just unboxed this box for you guys today. This does have a retail value of $35. The next item in here is by Georgette Klinger. I don't really know. This is the only item in the box that I have not tested out just yet. This is a vitamin C mask. It does have a retail value of $36, and it's good. It's supposed to revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes, and it's infused with vitamin C. I am definitely intrigued by this product. I told you guys in my dedicated unboxing, if you guys have tried this out, let me know. I feel like I found this over on QVC, but I'm not 100%, but I'm definitely curious about it. I love skincare masks. The next item in here, and this is one where I was quite shocked by how this performed. This is the Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow Highlighter Palette. Now, I've dropped this twice already, so I'm going to try and do really well this time. But this is a cute little travel-friendly quad highlighter palette. And I feel like it's talc free, and I told you guys in my dedicated unboxing that I felt like it just performed beautifully, and it shocked me. And in all honesty, when I saw this in the box, I wasn't even going to open it. I wasn't going to even bother with it. I felt like you have enough highlighters, but I don't feel like I have enough highlighters that just kind of melt into my skin. I love the way that these performed. I felt like the shades were beautiful. It's soft, it's creamy. It doesn't like overly accentuate my texture. If I get it up by my crow's feet, I don't feel like it like accentuates them. I just really liked it, and I used all 4 shades. So I felt like for me, this is like a hidden gem. I don't know. I was really surprised with it. The next item in here was, of course, another Natasha Denona 5-pan palette. This is that Aya palette. Wow. I am a mess. Welcome. Here you go. This is a neutral lover's dream palette, in my opinion. I felt like all the shades just performed beautifully. That's what's on my eyes today. It is just your standard type, just like what I said with the Jubilee palette, your standard type of Natasha Denona formula that we all know and love. The shimmers are like this cream to powder, beautiful, melt into the lids, not gonna accentuate any type of like crepiness on the lids. The mattes are just like butter. They just blend out and make you feel bougie and like an artist, but I'm not an artist. But I always love her formula, and I feel like her formula is just, it just makes me so happy. So this is a $48 palette. Again, it's customized exclusively for Boxycharm. So these shades are in other palettes of hers, like the Glam palette, the Mini Glam palette. There's 2 shades in here. I wasn't for sure where they're from, but I know they are in some of her other palettes. The last item in here, and again, I do have this on today. I've been filming for hours now, so it's on, but it's kind of dissipating a little bit. And this is by Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss in the shade Theory. I really like their lip glosses. Like, a matter of fact, I love their lip glosses and not a huge fan of their eyeshadows. Like, I feel like they should just stick with the whole like lip gloss, lip game. I mean, I know that sounds horrible, but I just feel like Illuminati Cosmetics, their lip glosses or lip formula, very comfortable. I love the fact that I can mix it with other lipsticks and I don't have an issue. Very comfortable. It's not that tacky, sticky type of formula, and it's really fun. It's scary. It's scary. I mean, I would not, walking past something like a shelf in Sephora, I wouldn't be like, oh, I need that. I'd be like, oh, heck no, I'm too old for that. But when you actually, like, it's got that really pretty iridescent, but when you pair it with a really pretty opaque type of lipstick, this is the one that I paired it with. I think this was from my Try Beauty box. This is in the shade Slow Mod from Rakuten. It's just a really pretty lipstick, and I just think it's so nice to like top it with a lip gloss. And this is a fun one, and it reminds me a lot of a Pat McGrath one that I actually have, but this had a retail value of like $21. So at the end of the day, I don't remember what my PR box retail value was. I want to say it was like 140 something. I know that the retail value of everything in my box that is paid for is $155. And honestly, out of the 2 boxes, I like my paid for box better. I really like my paid for box better. I feel like for my $25, I got a hidden gem in there, everything I'm going to use. I haven't tried this particular vitamin C mask out yet, but I mean, I definitely will. That was my screw up as far as the shade went. I went back, I checked my confirmation email, and sure enough, that's what I picked. So it worked out. It worked out. I mean, it's working for me as far as using it as a cream bronzer. So overall, everything that I received, like, I know a lot of people will say people who get PR get better boxes than the paid for customers. Just for reference, so y'all know, I do not use my personal name on my paid for boxes. So Boxycharm doesn't know they're sending it to MESS MOMMA MD like they do know when it comes to PR. So for me, I'm like, no, my paid for box is better than my PR, but that's just my opinion. So let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Do you think the paid for box won over the PR box? I mean, to each their own. Anyways, friends, don't forget to give me a follow over on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size cover girl fashion hauls. Check me out over on my Instagram. I have been popping up little quick makeup tutorials and unboxings over there. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. I am not affiliated. It's not an affiliated or sponsored type of link or anything like that. I don't earn a commission. It's just a way for y'all to go down and click and sign up if you want. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.